So hey my YouTube family, how are you all? I hope that you all are good and enjoying in your life. My videos are helpful for you somewhere. So let's talk about the papers which are lying on my table. Many kind of papers are lying on my table as you have seen. So let's talk about the papers. Can you see that when we are just beginner, we are just thinking that if we are going to use different kind of papers like cartridge sheet, ivory sheets and sketchbook, so our drawing book look very nice. But it's a myth. I basically use these papers which are no Xerox papers. It's very cheap to get and it's not costly. It is easy to get as well. And I took this bunch I think for 50 or 500 rupees. It is 75 GSM, 500 sheets you are going to get in this bunch, and this is very good. This is very good to use at beginning level. And I have basically used these papers in my videos. If you have seen my previous videos, these papers, if I have used from the one side, you can use from the second side also. And basically what happened when we are beginner, we don't know that what kind of papers, what kind of pencils we should use, so we are just doing scrubbing using dark pencils and just drawing like that whatever you want. We are thinking that if we are going to use these papers like this kind of sketchbook which is 140 GSM paper, so our drawing will look very nice. But it is not like that. Drawing is basically a practice work. If you are just doing lots of practice, then your drawing will look very nice. We are just thinking we are going to use thick paper, and this is very having a very good texture, so our drawing look nice. It is not like that. I have used the Xerox papers which also you can also use in your videos, right? So just don't waste your money. Don't just try to get lots of paper and get a bunch in your room. It's not like that. You can just keep this paper aside and just go with these rocks papers. This is very good to use. Let's talk about the erasers. Lots of erasers are available in the market, but I basically use this kind of writing eraser, this kind of stylish eraser also. And this is kneaded eraser. You will use this eraser when you are going to make any kind of realistic work. This is Tombow mono eraser. You are going to use this eraser when you are going to make any kind of realistic work and you to erase the little parts of the work need to give realistic look. I basically sharpen my pencils with this pencil cutter, and we call it paper cutter also. I just sharpen my pencils with this, as you have seen the tip of the pencil. But if it comes to sharpener, there are lots of sharpener available in the market. I basically use the sharpener to sharpen my pencil. I don't use that sharpeners which are made for artists. I feel like it is wasting of money if you are a beginner. So just go with this material which is easy to get and cheap also. Invest your money. Let's talk about the colors. If you are beginner, what colors you are going to use, what colors you need to use. Let's talk about the brush pens. I have this 12 brush pen only, which costs I think 200 rupees, and this is very good to use, which cost only 200 rupees. Again, I can show you in my video. This is very good to use and not costly also. If you are beginner, you don't have any idea about the brushes, about the colors, how to use, then you can use these colors also. I'll show you the domes color which costs only 35 rupees, I guess. Yes, 35 rupees. I have used in my lots of videos, even though I use this kind of small colors also. If you have seen my previous videos, so I have used these colors also. Basically drawing is a creativity. Drawing is a creativity. If you have creative mind, you can use these colors also. I'm not saying to you buy the Staedtler colors, buy the costly Faber-Castell color or any kind of colors. I'm not going to say you, but you can use this. See, I have these Faber-Castell colors also. I have just wasted lots of money in buying colors, but what I have done, if I have seen my previous videos when I started my journey, so I have used this kind of small colors also. These are very good to use. These are cheap also, and you are not going to invest lots of money. See, I have that Staedtler color also, as you have seen the box, but I'm not going to use this kind of costly colors. I'm going to use only this kind of Faber-Castell or this kind of small colors which cost 10 or 15 rupees only. So this is also good to use somewhere. Okay, let's talk about the highlighters. I don't have different kind of highlighters, like there are lots of type of highlighters available in the market, but I basically use these highlighters which cost I think 250 rupees, which I got from Meesho. Link I'll give you in description. And these are two side we can use from the two side of thick and small also, and there are 24 shades. I basically use these colors also in my videos. And if we talk about the more colors, I have this acrylic color also, cake color also, oil pastel also, but I don't use these colors in my drawing basically. Rarely I use these colors because I'm also a beginner, so I feel like why to waste money. And this oil pastel colors of Camel, which cost I think 250 rupees, which are very good to use. I'll show you in my video also. See, you are going to get many shades in that oil pastel. and this is a tool which you are getting to make the drawing different, like giving any kind of texture or something. Like I'll teach you how to use this tool in my next video. And keep these colors very nicely, and just use very nicely because it is very soft, it can break very easily. So keep these colors nicely, which I have just kept in my box. And if it comes to acrylic color, I have never used acrylic color before, but 2-3 videos back I have just made some small kind of acrylic painting, if you have seen, on cardboard. Link I'll give in description again. So this cost, I think this cost 220 rupees, which is also again I'll say costly. Don't use this color if you are a beginner. This is camel cake color, which I have used sometimes in my school time, and this is looking very much messy. It happens when you are using the colors. And this again cost I think 225 rupees. So these are the very good colors. There are lots of colors in the market available. I think 10 or 15 rupees. A big line you are going to get, and small boxes you are going to get on that color, so you can also use that colors. And if it comes to brushes, so I have these brushes. I don't have different kind of brushes. I basically use these brushes in my drawing. These are Faber-Castell brushes, and synthetic Faber-Castell brushes I have used in my drawing also. So I think this material you can use if you are a beginner. Okay, so just don't go towards buying cheap like costly materials or something. Like if you are a beginner, you can use this material also. I hope this video is helpful for you to know about all the material. Thank you so much.